Hello, I'm Uzair and thank you so much for visiting this page. I've helped thousands of businesses, marketeers, and professionals with their Google Ads campaigns. I have created a VIP masterclass for you, which will teach you how to create campaigns in Google Ads in an entirely a different way. I would say hardly anyone knows how to effortlessly and quickly build these campaigns, no matter how many keywords you may have. Whether you have a handful of keywords or many thousands, it is going to take you the same amount of time to build it, manage it, and optimize it on an ongoing basis. The masterclass I will teach you gives you actionable steps to help you structure your Google Ads campaign the right way. It includes how to pay the lowest CPC, outrank and outbid your competitors effortlessly, and show you an unknown free Google Ads tool no one knows about, which turbocharges your workflow from hours into minutes. You will also look over my shoulder on how I create complete campaign from keyword research to writing ads. One thing I can promise you is that no one on YouTube and on the internet is teaching you what I'm about to teach you during this masterclass. It is 100% free to join and you'll get instant access. All you need to do is to click the button below this video to get instant access. I promise you it will be worth your while and you are going to learn a ninja way to set up and manage Google Ads. I appreciate your time and I look forward to seeing you in the masterclass.